The world doesn't reward activities, it rewards productivity, even in poultry farming. Watch this.
Nobody pays you because you spent time inside a poultry pen. They pay you because of the value you produce. A farmer can spend 6 weeks raising broilers and still make little profit if the birds are small and weak. Another farmer spends the same 6 weeks and sells out immediately because his birds are heavy, healthy, and attractive.
Subscribe to our channel, like this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss any update.
Same time, different value. Buyers are not emotional. They don't reward efforts, they reward results. They don't ask how early you woke up.
Yes.
They ask, how many kilograms is the bird? Value in poultry farming means good weight, low mortality, clean pen, proper feeding, correct vaccination, strong management, and accurate record keeping. Once you start focusing on value instead of time, your income will change. The market respects farmers who know what they are doing.
If you want to consistently raise strong broilers that grow well and give you good profit, get my ebook, Rapid Broiler Growth.
It will guide you step by step on how to achieve excellent results.
WhatsApp me to get it, 0706 907 4379.